What up, guys? Today is Saturday. Wanted to make a little quick video of something I'm about to do. My interior on my car, the back interior is like kind of faded from, like, obviously it's old and just from sun fade. So I got some vinyl and fabric paint. This was like $30 together, something like that, 27. So this right here is about to change my seats from being faded, ugly, disgusting looking, some black seats so it'll match my front. And then later on I'll just do the headliner. I'm not doing the headliner right now. I just did this because I didn't want to put the seats back and they look fucking ugly. So little quick video I want to do and give it a shot. I've seen people do it with some good results, and I'm not gonna have anybody sitting in the back seats anyway, so I should be fine. This is what the seats look like. These are not bad, but these are just faded crazy up top from the sun. So let's paint these things and give it a shot, see what happens. Alright guys, this is what they're looking like so far. I mean, listen, 10 times better than how fucked up they were before. This is just one coat that I did on it. Gonna let it dry and then go back at it again with a heavier coat. Still got one more, well, one and like a quarter of a can. Alright, this one is dried already. You guys can see. Still soft and crazy. Yeah, it's still clean. Dry. I'm gonna go over this one. Give it another coat. See how much darker it gets. Alright, so that's how they came out. I mean, listen, that's 10 times better than what it was before, to be honest. So I'm just letting them dry out real quick. And yeah, I mean, listen, I got this off of, I got these cans off Amazon. like 2 for like 27 bucks, I think. So you guys see right there. It's just something quick. Cause to find some mint like back seats is super rare, super hard to find. And then like if you want to get some good seats, you gotta get like some JDM back seats. It's gonna cost you like $800. I'm not with that shit. I'd rather just fucking gut the back and just leave it with no seats. But been meaning to do this for some time now. Just never really went and did it. But pulled the trigger and I did it. And it dries up super fast. Literally like they're already dry. They dry up in like 5 minutes. But they like cure and like 24 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the car and then just see what they look like. Obviously it's not gonna look like as black as the seats in the front, but gonna look 10 times better than what they did before. $27 paint job, I guess, to fix the seats from looking crusty to this. You can't beat it. I didn't want to put these nasty ass seats back in the car. One thing I also noticed, got an oil leak right there, but it's coming from the bolt. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a bolt back there. I don't know if it showed, but on the Moroso pans, there's usually another bolt, well, another plug hole where you can plug like a fitting line or end line for like to drain it back or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna have to Teflon it. Oh shit, it's raining. Let me put the seats in. Oh man, hopefully they don't mess up on me. Camera's wet. Oh man, there's always some shit. Alright guys, not bad at all. Not bad at all. For $27, not bad at all. Might let it cure again for like 24 hours and then come back at it maybe. But definitely not bad. Obviously it looks lighter than what it is. Like that looks gray, it's not gray, it's black. It's just because of the way the lighting is hitting it. But regardless, that looks a lot better than what it was. And anyways, that middle part is always a lighter color than the both sides. So listen, $27, that's a win for me. It ain't gonna be black like my new seats, which, I mean, even the black seats, look, this is brand new black and looks a little bit different on camera. So listen, 27 bucks, can't go wrong. I'm fucking under my car cover right now. Hey! Alright, let me get my ass inside. Fucking pouring. Oh shit. See the things I do for you guys? For content? Oh, I'm getting soaked out here. Alright, we out of here. My whole camera's wet. Listen, you guys appreciate the videos. Remember, it's a special thanks or a special thank you, something like that. Remember what's the name of it on the video, right next to like the like. You guys want to donate to the channel, appreciate the videos. I'm out here killing myself, slaving myself for content for you guys. So, yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much done. I guess I'll pick up the camera again, like 24 hours. Actually, tomorrow. Pick it up tomorrow. I gotta do my brakes tomorrow, so, and I'll show you guys what it looks like.